aiming for. I was looking the other way, I just heard the splash.
yeah.
Little bass.
Not bad. Nice grab, buddy.
Give us a jump. Buddy.
It's
He's gonna jump, he's gonna jump, he's gonna jump.
Nice one, too. Not bad.
No, it's not that nice.
That was me. Whoa.
Just a baby.
Not very big at all. See you later.
Eating our hobo packs. Good fire going. How was it, Al?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Fucking delicious, man.
Rye, how you liking that? Thumbs up? Just one?
What's
There we go. All right, 2 thumbs up.
Man, there aren't as many of them as you think.
Oh, yeah. You know what it's like. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, it's like me and that's that. I have a bright orange USB to USB-C connector.
Alright, so we have Eric Dupuy with the unboxing of 3 packages.
That's the one I already opened here.
Oh, so he's just going to show us what's in it. Well, it's not near as fun.
Mitch Marner there at True
Oh,
North
yeah.
Heroes.
Mitch Marner already, but
Yeah.
good day.
It's an insert though, which is good. Might be worth $1. Might be worth 2.
What
Oh yeah, I remember opening this one already. Yeah. This was a good card.
Oh, that's a
An
goalie
insert.
too. You must be
Like this
excited.
one.
We got Montreal Canadian, I think.
Oh,
on the front.
Sam Reinhart. What's the insert? What's the insert?
Let's see. Mackenzie
Above the ice,
Weegar.
Mackenzie Weegar.
Jesus Christ.
place?
I think so, yeah.
Nothing here, so. We're heading to this lot in a minute.
Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one.
Got one?
No, it was a big one. Went at it though. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one.
Got one?
No, it was a big one. Went at it though.
Should be getting an update on those guys today.
Not anything. What would I do with that? Look at him.
Their images, they're just so delicious, Bessie.
Oh.
Shouldn't I put them all on that plate? No, just disperse them from there.
There we go. Beautiful.
Oh, was that grilled cheese cheating your bud?
Oh yeah.
Good stuff.
Right with the night zone.
I use the rest of the onions. I hope that's cool.
Absolutely. There's mushrooms in this thing here too, Al.
Okay.
The wine? Sounds alright.
And the
Oh, is it bud?
Nope, that's pretty.